Welcome back, little explorers. I'm so glad you came to check your answers. Are you ready to find out what those mystery sounds really were? Let's go through them one by one and see how many you got right.
Number 1. Dog barking. Number 2. Children playing. Number 3. Car. Number 4. Car horn. Number 5. Police car. Number 6. Motorcycle. Number 7. Church bells. Number 8. Jackhammer. Number 9. Footsteps. Number 10. Ambulance.
Wow! You're amazing listeners. How many did you guess? Now, close your eyes for a second and imagine. What kind of place has all of those sounds? Here's your next Explorer challenge. Draw a picture of the place where you think all these sounds came from. Add as many details as you want: trees, animals, people, cars, whatever you imagine. You can even share your drawing in our Explorer community so others can see your amazing soundland. I can't wait to see what your imagination creates. Until next time, keep listening carefully, keep exploring, and keep those ears ready for adventure. Bye for now, little sound explorers.
Subscribe and follow for more brain-based strategies for learning.